We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood. Get some updates, get on the studio tour and see what we could see. The last time I was here, all these walls went up. I don't know if the walls got like extended. I kind of feel like they did, but I don't know. One thing I do want to talk about, there's still a lot of setting up that's going on right here for more walls. More walls where? Wow. And at this point in time, no confirmation of what's happening here, you know, just speculations. But just want to keep an eye on it. I'm excited to be back at Universal today. Also, I feel like anytime you're walking into Back to the Future at Universal Studios Hollywood, you know it's going to be a good day. How about you make like a tree and get out of here? We're just walking in, and the thing that caught my eye, I see Back to the Future display or something over here at the studio store. Let's go. What in the world? What? So much cool Back to the Future. So we got a signed Christopher Lloyd, Michael J. Fox right here. Michael J. Fox signing right here too. This epic moment in the movie. Well, they got a lot of signed stuff. Oh, it's all from the Celebrity Authentics. Moved a lot of that stuff over here. But how cool is this? I don't know what's to come, but I feel like something epic is coming. I'm keeping an eye out. I don't think nothing new has arrived, but I don't doubt that something new is on its way. Like, look at this. What? Oh my God. Like my nostalgic heart is just full of joy right now. This is freaking cool. We got a lot of new stuff that got just kind of moved over here. You know, it's a lot of stuff they've had in the park already, but they moved it up to the studio store. Lots of Transformers. More Transformers. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Does this one move the mouth? How does it do it? I don't know. All right. You got the Funko Pops. Oh, it's a whole Jurassic Park. Okay. Wow, that completely changed. This corner's always changing. One thing that has not left the park is Chucky merchandise. I know Chucky's kind of like a peacock thing, but it just makes me think, like, is he gonna come back again to Horror Nights? Which could be a good thing, bad thing, I don't know. How is Chucky, if he does come back, get implemented again? You know what I mean? For 2025, if he does. I love that there's a whole corner just dedicated to Universal Monsters. But this caught my eye. They got Universal Monster makeup. I've never seen this before. I guess it's Melt. Melt is the company. They got Dracula, Creature of the Black Lagoon. Wow. That's cool. So one thing I will say, now that I've walked around, it is empty. Empty. No line to meet the Scooby Gang. From what I heard, the capacity is like under 5,000 at Universal today. Always excited to get the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift construction updates. So we got all that brick. Can't wait to see all that get exposed, hopefully soon. All this is closed. That's going to be brick soon too. I saw on Twitter, new track has arrived. Let's go check it out. Lots of construction crew today. I am seeing a lot of work going on the electrical boxes once again. And just like this hillside right here at the bottom, which is electrical, because I saw a bunch of pipes. Actually, you kind of see them right here. Look at that. But let's take a look on the hillside. This is where the interesting stuff is. Wow. Holy macaroni. Also, too, on the catwalk, you got new track right there, too. Damn. Let's go. Yeah, heavy work now happening down there. A lot of ground moving. A lot of dirt being moved. Also, too, they got this thing out there today. Look at that. Wow. This is freaking cool, man. Is this chunk of track new right here going up? I feel like that's new. Wow. I'm just in awe. Every time I come, I know I say it every video, but I am in awe of this project. Just nuts. It is 3 o'clock. These are the wait times today. Simpsons with the longest wait at 20, but lower lot, nobody there today. Also, too, I do want to say the front entrance of Fast and Furious, it's still that purple wall action. Hasn't had that like primer coat that you see on the other sides where it's like completely gray. So I don't think any brickwork will start just yet. But I can't wait to see all this exposed, you know. Hopefully in the coming months. Time to get all the escalator looks now. Some work happening down here. When do you think we get this track? This craziness. When do we get the track that goes above the escalators? Wow, holy smokes. Is there work happening over here too? Damn. I just want to say real quick, I don't know if I remember seeing trees and stuff right here. But I just noticed it today. Maybe it's always been there, but just wanted to bring it up. This is the current situation of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. A lot of work has now been happening on these poles, which I'm assuming is all electrical stuff. But yeah, they've added a lot of electrical boxes in this vicinity right here. Another thing I am noticing, way off in the distance, we got new type of supports or like bars. Look at that. Wow. Talking about these right here at the top. Are those gonna go on that end, I'm assuming? There's been a lot of word about like sound walls. So screaming, you know, a lot of people are gonna be screaming. Obviously, look at this craziness. So to prevent those screams from going everywhere, there's gonna be a lot of sound walls. There's gonna be sound walls right here too. Man. Awesome. I love these updates of Fast and Furious. I'm still kind of like trying to figure out all these twists and turns that are happening in this vicinity. Oh man. Freaking Fast and Furious, man. This thing is crazy. Here's a look at the hillside dirt field. And the one thing I'm still noticing way off in the distance, we got wood. We don't know for what, but we got wood. I'm still curious if anything's gonna happen here. Like FanFest, are they gonna utilize this spot? I have no idea, man. No idea. Is Horror Nights, for that matter, gonna utilize that spot? Who knows? Who knows? Finally getting a chance to be back on the studio tour. Only 5 minutes today.
14. So we've been here ever since. Our founder, Carl Lindley, here on your screen.
You'll see a lot of white trucks and trailers. That means, of course, there is production nearby. So check this out. This car here, this gray one, that's a picture car from Hacks. And obviously be part of the story. Can also help to pick time period. We're going to see a lot more picture cars a little later on in the tour. This front lawn area is mostly populated with sound stages. That was not always the case. And in the 50s, we started to build and use them. You can actually see what they look like in our comedy Bruce Almighty with Jim Carrey years ago.
Inside bad, outside good. Inside bad, outside good.
Goes back to all
no
of
earthquake.
our movie monsters. Uh-oh, you found us!
Fast and Furious, The Flintstones,
Chainsaw Pugs.
Jurassic World, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. We got a couple Transformers out here. Frasier, so a lot of cool picture cars all around us there. Around the corner, white. Everything right where he wants it. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay. She's helping with a little checkout right now. Okay, this is kind of awkward. I don't think he sees us over here. Everyone just, oh, no, he just saw us. All right, just play cool, everyone. Hey, Norman, how's it going? I hope you're doing okay. Uh-oh, that's a knife. Okay, it's okay, we're just gonna get out of here. Oh, no, uh-oh.
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Don't shoot that from the bridge. And there's a traction. Everybody hold on. It's an entrance. Ride and die.
I'll give you ride wait times as well, so that'll come in handy. Take you to our annual pass.
I love the studio tour so much. What a beautiful, beautiful ride. All right, we're gonna check some stuff on the way out, and that's gonna be all for today. The Grinchmas tree is still here. Just want to do a quick walkthrough of Animation Store. Haven't been in here in a while. This Cabby stuff. I always hope like new Epic Universe stuff keeps landing. I know they have the Epic Universe store over there at City Walk, but sometimes that stuff trickles in here. Like right here, Isles of Burke. These keychains. All right, what are these? Okay. It's kind of cool. It could be dragon feet. $30. $30 for the dragon feet. Very cool Hello Kitty corner. I don't know if I've seen this bag before, but it's nice. Phone home. Wow. $50. I love the strap too. That's nice. Home. Also in Florida, they have like wands now that interact with stuff in the windows. Like they had a Jurassic Park, like a T-Rex moving his mouth and stuff. But I think it's the wands that activate it. I don't know if these ones will do that, or if they even bring those kind of windows over here, but I hope they do. Why not? That's cool. That is going to be all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. All right, everybody, smash that like button. We are firing it down.